How to use your Car Buddy app by the Carman. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for the 𝐾𝐨𝐮𝐫. Download the app and open it. Create an account or sign up using your Google account. After signing up, verify your account with your mobile number. Now, add your car by selecting the Add Your Car option. Choose the services you need and proceed. Select a time slot. Input your address. And click on Proceed to complete the process. After that, you will receive an order confirmation message with your order ID.